Hello everyone who likes to keep a grass short and nice looking. You also need to learn how to take care of your machines. That's simple job we're going to do today. They're changing oil. I'll show you how to do it step by step. If your machine is slightly different, we'll put a list in the description below. You can find your oil capacity and other specs. Let's get in. For this job, you need few simple tools. You need a drain pan. You need to have 8mm socket, funnel, rubber gloves, suitable tool for removing the oil filter. I like to use a pipe wrench, but you can use any tool which will work. Oil filter, engine oil, and a paper towel. Simple as it is. Let's go. Step number one, you need to run your engine to warm up the oil. Like so, it won't run for a long time. I pre-warm up the engine already, but run it for 15-20 minutes. Let it get warm, all right? Next step, park your machine on a flat level ground. And also apply your parking brake, make sure you're safe. Open your hood, like so, very easy. Next, we're going to remove two closed out panels on both sides. There's a one 8mm bolt. Alright, it's even fall off, so easy. I need to get access to the drain plug. Okay, second one, another side. Taking this one off to get access to our filter. Put it aside. Next step, put your drain pan under the drain valve. I realized that big black one won't fit. I just made my small one. Now we need to rotate and remove the drain valve cap. Clean it up a little bit, like so. Remove it. Oh, yeah. Catch the oil, no spills. Let it drain. A manufacturer recommends to change the oil every 100 hours or annually, which one comes first. Because oil is very important. It's like a blood inside the body. You need to change it, but you cannot change the blood, but it depends. Yeah, let oil drain completely. Remove a dipstick, it will help oil to drain faster. Let oil to drain completely, then clean the and place that valve cap back in place and lock it. Okay, check, make sure it's fully locked like this. It won't come off, you will see. You don't want to spill your oil accidentally. Next, place your oil drain pan under the filter. I could dump it, but it's alright. Put it there. Still enough room left. Okay, remove the old filter. by turning control clockwise. It's still hard. Okay, a little more pliers. Here we go. Catch the oil. A little bit is coming on. Remove old one, like so. Wipe the oil. Clean the filter housing. Yeah, make sure there's no old gasket on the filter housing and wipe it with a clean towel. Put a light coat of fresh clean oil on the gasket of the new filter, like so. Install replacement oil filter by turning oil filter to the right or clockwise until the rubber gasket contacts filter base. You can feel it now, and then tighten additional 1/2 a turn, like so. Oh, all good. And yeah, we're let's check the oil level. We put the right amount of oil. Pull the funnel out. Check it out. All right, we're just at the full mark, and our oil filter is still dried. We'll take another 120 milliliters, and which will be perfect amount of oil inside the engine. And last few steps, what we're going to do, we're going to start and run the engine at idle to check for leaks. Then we'll stop and fix any leaks we will find it. I let the engine run for a few minutes. Let's check for oil leaks around the oil filter and oil filter housing. Everything seems to be dry and clean. There's no any leaks. Also, we're checking around the drain valve. It's not leaking. That orange is sealing the valve. All good. That's what we want to see. Let oil to settle for 5-10 minutes, and then check the oil level again. If it's necessary, fill it up. Time to check the oil again. Wipe it to dipstick. Put it in back again, pull it out. And what we see, it's up to the full mark and a little bit below that. Yeah, that's optimum oil level. And the last step, we need to put the side shields, those 2 plastic panels, and good to go. Putting them back in the same place. Don't over tight, just make it tight enough it won't fall off. Good. Wipe some dust, make it look nice. Same one on another side. Good to go. And last step, just close your hood. All good, baby. Thank you so much for watching. If you got something from this video, I'm very happy and tried my best. Leave any comments down below and have a great day. Thank you guys.